This is my entry for the Lockpicking Coal Miners 100 subscriber giveaway. First thing I want to say is congratulations to Coal Miner. Well done. And I believe his giveaway thing is to pick a lock on camera. And I'm going to pick this Euro thumb lock. Works. 5-pinner. I don't know about you guys, but I've noticed that the month of May seems to be the month for giveaways. I've never seen so many giveaway subscriber contests in all the time I've been on YouTube. So that's pretty exciting. Let's see what I can do here. This is much harder than I thought it would be. I can hear them setting. Get a grip. Finally. There we go. Thank you for watching, and congratulations to Lockpicking Coal Miner on his 100 sub giveaway.